Hello, welcome to our channel Hearing Tech Updates. My name is Vishwajit Vishnu, and today in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of the most popular model Phonak Audio Paradise. The Audio Paradise comes in a beautiful and hard case packaging. The packaging contains a hearing aid, a dry case, and a receiver in case of an RIC hearing aids. The hearing aid would come in a seal-packed packaging, and it also has a beautiful small case so that you can keep it and carry anywhere you like. You can remove the strip from here and the hearing aid would pop out. The beautiful Phonak Audio Paradise in sand beige color. It comes in multiple color option. Let me just insert the receiver in it to show you how exactly it would look after you wear the hearing aid. You get different sizes of domes to select the right fit for your ears. Now this hearing aid is ready to use. Let me show you how it looks after you put it on the ears. Very sleek design, simple to use with multiple color options, rechargeable and lot of connectivity options. This is just a wonder in hearing aids. So the Phonak Paradise is a fully packed hearing aid with lots of inbuilt features in it. I'm going to tell you about some of the important features that is packed in this small tiny piece of computer. The Phonak Paradise comes in different shapes. It is available in RIC and the BTE option. So far, the custom product of Paradise technology is not yet available. We hope that it would be available soon for all of us. It comes with the Prism technology, the Prism series of chips, the processors in it. It also has motion sensors. As you start walking, after 6 steps, the hearing aid will detect that you are in motion and it will adjust its directionality as per your motion and the speed. The Audio Paradise comes in both RIC and the BTE variants. It has the rechargeable and the battery options available. Paradise is the successor of the Marvel technology. Marvel was already a big hit in the history of Phonak. Now with Paradise there are a lot of new enhancements that has been done. The Paradise device can connect up to 8 Bluetooth devices at the same time, and you can talk on 2 of the devices simultaneously. For example, if you are connected to a laptop and you get a phone call on your phone, so while listening to the music of the laptop, it will automatically switch to the Bluetooth of your phone and you can also talk on your phone call at the same time. The higher versions of Paradise, the technology level 70 and 90, also comes with the tap control feature. With the tap control feature, you can either pick or disconnect your phone call. You can also activate your voice control on the phone, for example, Siri or Alexa. The Paradise also connects to a comprehensive application on your mobile phone through which you can customize different programs as per the environment that you are in. This also comes with a remote programming feature. So let's say you buy a hearing aid in New Delhi and you fly to America. Now the audiologist here has all your settings and he can access your hearing aid remotely to any part of the world. And we can help you with the fine-tuning options or adjusting your settings no matter where you are. The Audio Paradise uses classic Bluetooth, which means you can connect your hearing aid with any phone, any smartphone available. So it connects with Android as well as an iPhone. Apart from these phones, there are multiple connection options with different accessories. For example, you can connect to a TV connector or you can connect to a device called Roger Select, which is an external microphone and is very useful in case of complex situations. For example, a restaurant. The device comes with dynamic noise cancellation, speech enhancer to give you natural-like sound clarity. It also comes in different technology levels. So 30, 50, 70 and 90, you can choose from different cost options available as per your requirement or your lifestyle. The only flaw that I could see in a Paradise device is its compatibility with a cross transmitter. This device cannot connect with a cross transmitter. However, it is possible that you use two Paradise devices and both the Paradise device would connect to each other so that you get a 360-degree hearing experience even in case of unilateral hearing loss. With all these amazing features, Phonak Paradise is highly popular in case of hearing aid users and it is most preferred device among them. So if you want to have a trial with a Phonak Paradise device, do write to us in the comment section and we would connect you to your nearest Phonak authorized hearing aid dispenser. If you found this video to be useful, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. अब सब सुनेंगे.